Hi there. So just to show you SoftTools' new Excel-based accelerated app building feature. You'll have an Excel sheet. This example here tracks a whole bunch of properties, about 1,000 properties across 10, 12 different locations. All we need to do is put this into a CSV file. So here's one I've done earlier. So we've just got the property, the location, and effectively the fields we want to capture. So once I've got that ready, I can go into the SoftTools App Studio. I can add a new app, use the import option. I'm going to give the app a new name. I'm going to call it New App. You'd put in the property, speed this up, English, hit save. That defines the name of the application. Later on, we can go in and put image icons and so on. If I select the Upload CSV file option, the CSV file leasing monitor that I just touched on a second ago is there. You can see SoftTools instantly imports all of the column headings, but it also infers what type of data it is, whether it's text, a number field, and actually, interestingly, for location, it's figured out from the data that the location is actually repeated. So it's understood that this might be a selection list. Now, if it isn't, the app builder can change that. But if we leave it as selection, SoftTools will actually generate the drop-down selection list with the data values that are in the spreadsheet, which is a big time saver. So I want property to be a required field. I want to include all of these fields in the template and in the report. And if I now hit save, there's going to be one field here, because I've done this before, that's got a hyphen that it will kick out. So I just removed that hyphen from the field identifier and hit save. And you can see that all of my fields have been successfully added, which is good news. And when I go to the template, you can see that all of the fields have also been put into one template, which I can now drag and drop and rearrange and segment into different sections. But at the most basic level, this app is now ready. So if I come into my workspace environment where I see the application, I just hit refresh. The new app that I've just built will be there. And if I hit the new record, you'll see there's nothing here right now. That's just a delay in the system sync. So if I just force the sync by a quick reload, you can see all of the fields in the spreadsheet are now available for data entry. And if I put in a test property, I'll just select a location. I go back, you can see that that record has now been created. I can now then spend maybe another hour or so creating reports, graphs, charts, and detailed information. And just to show you what this can get to, if I go to this corporate lease monitor app, which is an app that has been built out using the same kind of fields, you can see how we've got a site overview, we've got the annual KPIs around leasing, finances. So the new feature really gives you a head start. You don't have to manually enter 25, 50 fields. You can focus on actually just designing your layout, your workflow, your business logic, and your reports. Thanks a lot.